Hi, this video is to inform you about the MBA CET shortcut workshop that we plan to hold. So this basically will be shortcut workshop plus practice sessions. So you will have some practice sessions for the CET and plus you will have the workshop. So total will be 25 plus hours of live lectures. From there at least 12 plus hours will be shortcut workshops. So we will start with a practice session so that you will at least get used to practicing questions, and then we will have workshops on shortcuts, how to solve things faster. So you will have regular practice sessions. So recording of the session will be provided so that you can watch them later, and conducted by Patrick100. So basically the idea is to help you solve things faster. We'll also guide you with regards to strategy, how to approach the paper, how to have a proper mindset while looking at the paper as such. So that should hopefully help you to improve your marks. And that's the aim of the workshop as such. So it will be conducted over February and March. If you're interested, you can contact us and join. You can go to our website prep.patrick100.com or call us at 9821314788 or email at support@coinacademy.com. Right? Thanks. All the best.